Let's create clean countdown timer in Premiere Pro. Step 1. Go to New Item, select Color Matte, choose Green and place it on the timeline. Step 2. Create a transparent layer. Click New Item, select Transparent Video, set the same frame rate as your sequence, mine is 25 frames per second, drag it onto the timeline, extend it as long as you want your timer. Step 3. Add timecode. Go to Effects panel, search for timecode, drag and drop it onto the transparent video. Step 4. Inside Effect Controls, set opacity to 0 to remove background black box. Timecode format is hour, minutes, second, and frames. Step 5. To show only minutes and seconds, go to Effects, search for Crop, drag crop onto the transparent video. Use the blue handles to hide hours and frames. Adjust the size and position of the timecode. Step 6. Go to Effects, search for Ultra key, drag it onto the green color matte. In Effect Controls, use the eyedropper, pick the green color. The green background is now removed. Step 7. To reverse the timer, select both clips, right-click the nested clip, choose Speed Duration, enable Reverse Speed. Now your timer counts down. To add a circle, select the ellipse tool, hold Shift and draw a perfect circle. In Effect Controls, enable Stroke, disable Fill, change the stroke color if you want. Duplicate the circle, scale down the second circle, change color for a clean look. Now we will animate the circle. Go to Effects, search for Clock Wipe, drag it onto the graphic layer. Increase the effect range fully. In Effect Controls, set Feather to 0, enable Reverse, right-click the clip, nest it, then right-click again, Reverse Speed. You now have a clean animated countdown timer. Subscribe and check out my channel for more Premiere Pro tips